At the beginning of the school year, I doubted so much. I questioned everything. Like, am I supposed to be here? How am I supposed to prepare my lesson, make sure I'm staying on top of my own TAPP classes to make sure I'm meeting these deadlines. So it was a challenge. However, the process required me to be very patient and give myself grace. Hello, my name is Danielle Delaine, and I teach 8th grade ELA here at Point South Middle School. It feels surreal. I'm still in a place of not disbelief, but in a way of like amazement, because when I first started TAPP, I had a lot of doubts. I had days where I was like, I don't know if I can continue doing this. But now I see just the growth, and not just myself, but my students. From academics to our relationships, it's feeling more and more like family. When I think about students, a few things that make me smile are how eager they are to learn, even if they don't see it in themselves. And as I'm teaching them the content, when I look at their faces, I can literally tell they're listening. They want to hear more. They enjoy hearing me explain things to them at their level. Behaviorally and emotionally, also the growth, especially for this particular group, because I worked with them the year before as a long-term sub. So they have a special place in my heart. For my journey from being a long-term sub into the TAPP program has been testing. I know so much more information now, and a lot of my own misconceptions have definitely been corrected about how I should present myself in the classroom and respond to my students, as well as how I should receive them. Remember, you're going to remember them years from now, and they're going to definitely remember you years from now. Even for those students that you feel like, oh, I just can't get through to this student. Sometimes those are the ones that show you the most growth towards the end. And that has also been my experience this year, and it's truly a blessing.